Hello traders, welcome to another gold price prediction video. So in this video we will predict, or you can say we will analyze the gold chart, and we'll try to predict how gold can behave in upcoming trading session, and what are we expecting from gold to trade. So as you can see, gold uh, recently able to rebound from the multi-week low level, and it is currently trading at 1742 level. As you can see, gold rebound, or you can say rebounds from this particular level. Let me just show you through a arrow. As you can see from it here, so gold today again try the level of 1722 level. As you can see, we are on 5-minute chart, so let me just zoom in so that you can better understand what I'm talking about. So as you can see, at this level, it already made this low at around 1722 or 1721 to be precise. So gold today also tested this lowest level that it plotted yesterday during the trading hour. So as you can see, this level is still safe, and gold is able to rebound from this level and currently trading at the highest level from yesterday and today's session. So as you can see, gold is currently trading at 1742 level. So what I am expecting gold to trade, and what type of entry I am expecting. So as you can those who have been following me, they know that still gold is in bearish from my point of view, because I'm expecting gold to at least break this this level. Let me just draw a simple horizontal line here so that you can check what I'm talking. This level. So if gold is able and to break this line 1745 and withhold this as a support, then I can see a fresh buying opportunity for me. And still I am looking for gold to trade below this level. But as you can see, during recent hours, we are on 5-minute chart. You can see, if you focus on volume chart at here, you can see we got a very fresh buying. You can see from these high bar. So these buying push the gold to this level, and currently it is trading at this level. So, and it is also trying to break the recent high that it made yesterday, as you can see from this level. So if gold is able to break this level on 5-minute chart, so we can expect a buying opportunity, and we can say certainly say that gold downfall may you can say may end here. But still I'm not sure whether gold is able to hold this level. So I'm still expecting gold to be trade below these level, and so I can put my sell entry at around 1722, and I'm still expecting gold to trade at 1700. But as you can see, gold is trading above these levels. So for today I did not enter any trade, and I'm still not able to put any trade entry in gold. So this is a simple you can say prediction and analysis for gold. But if we put a 1 hour time frame, let me just quickly switch and give another idea on 1 hour time frame, how gold is trading on 1 hour time frame. So let me just switch back to 5-minute. Actually I have this indicator that I am using is center pivot range. So I think it's better not to switch on 1 hour time frame, because I predicting this on 5 minute time frame, or you can say on intraday level. I already made a, you can say, a week base prediction in previous videos, so you can check those video. I'm not going to draw those trend line on those level again, but for current, or you can say current trading session, I already uh, predicted how gold is behaving. So as you can see, we are on live chart. You can see the gold is still facing resistance from this fresh high. Let me just give you a quick view of this level again. As you can see on the 5 minute candle, you can see gold is not able to you can say break out this level. So I'm still expecting gold to fall from these level, and I can enter again for sell entry. So these are my prediction for gold and levels for gold. Thank you.